Hello and welcome to the Keep It Simple community. My name is Josh, founder and CEO of the Keep It Simple community and CRM. I'm going to walk you through some of your next steps and make sure that you're set up for success going forward. So by this time, you should have already signed up for the CRM. And you should receive 2 emails. One is going to be to log into your CRM, and the other one's going to be able to log into our Nifty PM project management system, where you're going to be working with the team, giving us everything that you need. So I'm just going to walk you through some of the basics, make sure you have access to it. If you don't get these 2 emails, please check your spam folders just to make sure they didn't go in there. Each one of these will be adjusted for one of our partners. So if you came through one of our partner programs like the Book Funnel, Fit Pro CEO, or one of those other ones, it's going to be slightly different than what you're seeing today. However, it should be pretty close. So the first thing you're going to look at is be on the lookout for 2 emails. And those 2 emails will look something like this. The first one will be to activate your account with the Keep It Simple team. Okay. So when you get in here, it's going to say basically the same things that I'm about ready to tell you. But you're going to want to follow these steps, right? So the first thing you're going to do is set up your account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I do recommend putting in your bookmarks the app.kiscrm.com. Hit allow, right? Go ahead and add in a new password. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Awesome. Perfect. Go ahead and change the password so it's something unique to you. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Good to go. And we're going to hit sign in. And we're going to go ahead and verify. I recommend using your phone to verify this. It happens a lot faster than the email. The email just takes a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and verify. Fantastic. Now, once you're logged in and you've saved the app.kiscrm.com to your bookmarks, there's nothing else you really need to do here. Okay. One thing I would recommend if you have time, go ahead and click on the tech and operations call up here in the top right hand corner. And make sure you put on your calendar the 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday tech and operations call and the 12 p.m. call. While you're in here, you've got those on your calendar. Go ahead and join the community. This is where you can ask questions to our community. So I'm going to go ahead and join. Yep, and join via your email that you signed up with. Try not to sign up with a different one. So we just want to make sure that we're letting the proper people into the community. Fantastic. And now you can ask all kinds of questions, right? You can see where some of our existing clients are asking questions now. And you can even submit support tickets. Once you've got access to that, we're good to go there. And you've got these on your calendar. So that's step 1. As for now, you don't really need to do anything else inside of the CRM itself. So you're going to go back to your email, okay, and go ahead and schedule your onboarding call. Okay, so you're going to click there, schedule the onboarding call, and get that scheduled. Go ahead. It should automatically fill a lot of this stuff in if you filled it out from the website. Onboarding call, onboarding, NA there, and hit continue. And then you'll pick a time to get on board with your account manager. And if you haven't done so, we did some quick links here that you can add it to your calendar quickly and join your KIS community. So we went over those things just to make sure you have any questions on that. Cool. So again, as for now, the CRM, you don't really need to do anything with. The next thing you need to do is join the Nifty PM project. Okay. So a lot of times you got to look pretty deep for this. This will usually go into spam, so just be on the lookout for that. But I'm going to go to projects. And it's going to have me verify, so I'm going to join, right? This really doesn't make a difference. This is more personal preference. I'm going to keep it on classic, and I'm going to hit go to dashboard. And once you get logged in, there's something that I'm going to recommend before you start clicking around, because you're going to get a ton of emails, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is come up here at the top left to the Keep It Simple, go to Settings, go to Notification Settings, and I'm going to recommend go ahead and uncheck all of these emails and just make sure they're unchecked, right? You don't really need them. Because you're going to be inside of this pretty much daily. The next thing I would look at, this is for your mobile browser, and this is for the mobile app. Okay, so you can go through here and adjust those either now or as we go through the process, but definitely change those. Next thing I'd like you to do while you're here, go ahead and download and log in to the iOS app or the Android app for Nifty PM. Okay, once you've got the notifications and you got the app download, now you can go back to your project. You're automatically logged into the project itself, which is your name and your business name. It's going to look, they're going to have all kinds of stuff here. Immediately click this client view. And what that's going to do is going to kind of clean up the process for you. Okay. And you can start here with setting up your account, but I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the things that you have access to. First thing you have access to is your tasks, which you see here. Then you have discussion. So if you have any questions at all, you can ask questions here, right? So you can everyone. You can your project manager, your team, whatever it might be. You can even upload files if you like to do so. Okay. Then you can do gifts. You can do all kinds of stuff here, right? Then you have your dashboard, and on your dashboard, it'll show you who these people are and the team that's associated with your account. Some team members will come and go just based upon the workload that they're doing. But right out of the gate, we just put everybody on there to make sure you're taken care of the best way possible. And we can go back to discussions and tasks as well. Now, once you've got all those things in there, before we get started on step one, what I'm going to explain to you is you have My Work. My Work is only going to show you stuff that you're assigned to. What I recommend is just kind of closing this out because you don't really need these things. Let me go back here. All right, My Work, hide the calendar. That's what I meant to click. And this will only show you stuff that's due to you, okay? And right now there's nothing due, but we are going to start assigning stuff to you, the things that we need from you. Across the top here, you won't use a whole lot of this stuff. Tasks I've created, you're not going to create any tasks, calendars, files, notes, time. None of that stuff's really for you, but tasks that are assigned to you is going to be important to look at. Next thing is your inbox, right? And I'm going to show you within your inbox, we'll have a few other videos that's coming out once you start getting notifications. The inbox is important. Once you look at it, you'll see a little notification up here that says mentioned and then unread over here to the top right. Click on those two, and those things are going to be the important part. Once you kind of look through there and kind of got your bearings, what you're going to do is click on your project, and you're going to start with step one. And have you set up the Nifty PM correctly, right? What I want you to do here is go ahead and come in here, tag everyone, all set up, and the mobile app is set up as well. Perfect. And then you hit enter. Once you go through here, you can complete this task because it will be assigned to you, and you can go through all these different items as we go through it. If at all possible, please try to knock out phase one today or as soon as you can. That way our team can go ahead and start building things out. And then the longest phase actually is phase two, where we're going to start building your website and that kind of stuff. So please make sure you submit those. If you have any questions on this at all, please let us know. If you haven't received those emails, please text us, email us, anything like that, and we'll help you get through this. But again, I wanted to be the first to welcome you to the Keep It Simple community. If you have any questions at all, again, text, email, or ask in that community, and we will help you. Thank you again.